Hello there. Welcome back to Intellect Insight, where finance becomes simple and smart. Today, we are answering a common question: fixed deposits versus mutual funds. Which one is better for your money? Let's break it down clearly so you can choose wisely. Now, what is a fixed deposit? First, a fixed deposit or FD is a safe investment option offered by banks. You lock in your money for a specific period, say 1 to 5 years, and earn a fixed interest rate. There are certain advantages as well as disadvantages too. So advantages are FD can give you guaranteed returns, it comes with very low risk, and it's easy to open at any bank or online. Let's talk about disadvantages. Lower returns, usually 5% to 7%. It also depends on country to country. Penalty for early withdrawal and doesn't beat inflation over time. Now you're probably wondering, what is mutual fund? Now a mutual fund is where your money is invested in stocks, bonds or other assets by professionals. Let's talk about pros. Potential for higher returns, 8% to 15% on an average. Can beat inflation as well. And also its flexible options like short term, long term or SIPs. Let's talk about cons. Market risk is involved as it depends on different companies which has been listed in stock market of respective country. Returns are not guaranteed and require some basic financial understanding. Now let's compare fixed deposit versus mutual fund. As you can see in this table, risk is very low in fixed deposit, whereas in mutual fund it's moderate to high in terms of return. As FD is very low in risk, it gives you 5% to 7% of returns, whereas mutual fund gives you 8% to 15% of returns in long term. Lock-in period. Yes, in FD, we definitely need to give lock-in period at first. In mutual fund, depends on fund type. Liquidity in FD is low, whereas in mutual fund it's moderate to high. And tax efficiency in FD is low, whereas in mutual fund it's better. Now, which should you choose? Choose FD if you want safety and guaranteed returns, great for short-term or emergency funds. Choose mutual funds if you want long-term growth, can handle some market ups and downs and aim to beat inflation. Here, I would like to give one short tip. A balanced approach works best. Keep some of your money in FDs for security and invest the rest in mutual funds to grow wealth. We are not giving any kind of tip or personal recommendation what to do. It's up to you if you want to invest in FD or mutual funds. So which one are you choosing? FD or mutual fund? Tell us in the comments. Thanks for watching Intellect Insight. See you in the next video. Till then, keep learning, keep hustling.